Hey everyone, welcome back to Jownology. Today we're diving into an exciting project where we'll learn how to fetch country information using Python and integrate it with Ollama's AI model. This is a fantastic way to combine web APIs with advanced language models. Let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let me tell you a bit about Ollama. Ollama now supports tool calling with popular models such as Llama 3.1. This enables a model to answer a given prompt using tools it knows about, making it possible for models to perform more complex tasks or interact with the outside world. Example tools include functions and APIs, web browsing, code interpreters, and much more. All right, let's jump right into the code. First, we're going to import the necessary libraries. We'll need Ollama for the AI model and requests for making HTTP requests. Now, we need a function that can fetch information about a country. We'll be using the REST countries API for this. Here's our getCountryInfo function. It takes a country name as input, makes a request to the REST countries API, and returns the country's name, capital, population, and region. With our function ready, we can now integrate it with Ollama's AI model. We'll send a message to the model asking for information about a country and provide the getCountryInfo function as a tool. Here's how we do it. We create a chat request to the Ollama model, include our message, and specify the tool function. After sending our request, we'll print the response from the Ollama model. Let's see what it looks like. Next, we extract the details of the tool call from the response and use it to fetch the country information. Let's extract the function call details and get the country information using our external API. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated a country information fetching function with Ollama's AI model. This is a powerful way to leverage web APIs with advanced language models. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Jownology for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.